Hi everyone, Dr. Kim. Shelby is giving me a beauty booster treatment right now. I am obsessed with this treatment. This is the perfect summer treatment. So what's in the syringe here is hyaluronic acid, non-cross-linked. So it's not like filler, it's a liquid hyaluronic acid. So it's going into the dermal layer of the skin. It's going to draw moisture and plump the skin up. Fantastic for summer skin that's getting dehydrated, abused by the sun, abused by the water, the pool, the chemicals. Also in there are amino acids, which are perfect for cellular repair. There is glutathione. Glutathione is the strongest antioxidant. So it has been shown in studies to reverse the pigment changes that result from UV exposure. So it's going to prevent me from making sunspots. We also have some vitamin B6, some other minerals in there. So basically feeding the skin, hydrating the skin, feeding cellular repair, and protecting against UV damage. The perfect summer treatment. 3 sessions once a month for 3 months, and then you can do some top-ups throughout the year. We put a little topical freezing on, numb your skin up, use the injectable gun. You have these little red dots, that'll be gone tomorrow. My skin will be all hydrated,